Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Welcome to Keep Learning English. Here, English is not about perfection, it's about progress. If you think English is hard but you refuse to give up, this channel is for you. Learn with simple explanations, real-life examples, and motivation to keep moving forward every day. Let's grow together, step by step, word by word. Are you ready for episode 2? Today, we're going on a trip to the supermarket. This is a great way to learn everyday words. Let's listen to David's shopping story. Remember to listen carefully, and we'll have some fun questions at the end. Let's begin. Today, David goes to the supermarket. He needs some food for the week. First, he takes a shopping cart. He walks to the fruit section. There are apples, bananas, and oranges. David picks 3 apples and 2 bananas. Next, he goes to the bread aisle. He takes a loaf of bread and a pack of cookies. Then, he buys milk, cheese, and eggs. At the checkout, the cashier smiles and says, "Hello. Did you find everything you needed?" David says, "Yes, thank you." He pays for his food and puts it in a bag. Finally, he leaves the store and goes home. He feels happy. Shopping is done. Great job listening. Now let's see what you remember. It's time for our comprehension questions. Are you ready? Question 1. What does David buy at the supermarket? Think about all the items he picked up. He bought fruits, dairy, and items from the bread aisle. He buys apples, bananas, a loaf of bread, a pack of cookies, milk, cheese, and eggs. Did you get them all? Question 2. What does the cashier say? The cashier was very friendly. The cashier says, "Hello, did you find everything you needed?" This is a very common and polite question you'll hear in stores. And our final question, number 3. How does David feel at the end? After all that shopping, he felt a sense of accomplishment. David feels happy at the end because his shopping is done. Fantastic work today. Practicing with stories like this is a wonderful way to improve your English. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.